Hi, I'm Mrs. S with Owltree Montessori, and today we are going to follow along with a grammar lesson and identify parts of speech within a sentence. The first thing this student is going to do is look for the verb, the action in the sentence, and symbolize it with the large red circle. This logical strategy of sentence symbolizing is helpful for children who are new to sentence symbolizing or struggling finding parts of speech in a sentence. The next step is to look for the noun in the sentence. This is the person, place, or thing that the sentence is about. Nouns are symbolized with large black triangles. The next step is to look for the noun family. These are the little words that come in front of the noun, the article and the adjective. It may be done in the same step as locating the noun. Articles are symbolized with a small light blue triangle, and adjectives are symbolized with a medium dark blue triangle. All laid out, you can see the representation of the noun family, the article, adjective, and noun represented from left to right in size and in color, going from lightest to darkest. The next step is to locate the adverbs. They are going to be close to the verb, and they're going to describe how, when, or where the verb was done. And you can see that they are symbolized with circles, just like the verb, although they are lighter in color. The student recognizes the word and as a conjunction that joins words or phrases together and uses the pink bar to identify it. The word in is a preposition because it shows relationship or position between the rain and the hungry dog barking. And so the student uses the green arch, the green bridge, to identify it as a preposition. The final step in this student's work is to record it in some way. This child has a language notebook, and she writes the sentence in her best handwriting and then symbolizes it beautifully to be checked by the teacher later. The teacher can come back and check at the end of the day or sit down during the student-teacher conference and check in on how she's doing with her work. This is typically the follow-up work for the lower elementary lessons and done during a child's uninterrupted, independent work time. If you've enjoyed what you've seen here today, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time at Owltree Montessori.